Hello, and welcome to a Chord Electronics product video, concentrating on the latest iteration of Mojo 2, which has some exciting new additions. It's still the same award-winning DAC and headphone amplifier that can be used with any source via USB, optical or coaxial, but with some handy new features. Let's dive right in. To accommodate a change in the headphone connectivity market, the Mojo 2 now has a 4.4mm headphone output jack, as well as the standard 3.5mm, allowing for greater compatibility without the need for any adapters. In addition to this, there is now switchable USB-C charging. This means the device can both charge and play through one USB-C cable simultaneously. Let's investigate the details. The new 4.4mm headphone jack has an independent volume and DSP setting that will be recalled by the Mojo 2 when you engage this port, allowing you to quickly swap between two separate pairs of headphones and their own DSP settings. The 4.4mm port, when engaged, will adjust master volume and DSP for both outputs, so try to avoid using both ports at the same time if your headphones are drastically different in volume or tonality. The switchable USB-C charging can be engaged with a new menu option. Cycle the menu button to orange and then use either volume button to engage or disengage USB-C charging. Red for off, green for on. Ensure you leave the device switched on for at least 10 seconds before powering down to ensure new settings have been saved. The current settings will be presented during Mojo 2's startup sequence along with all the other settings. Make sure you've got this setting switched off if you're using a mobile phone or tablet as a source to preserve your battery. When connecting to an Apple phone or tablet for the first time, ensure you choose the other device's setting to disengage the digital volume control. Android devices are very much plug and play, but make sure you max out the phone volume and control master volume using the Mojo 2. Let's do a quick overview of the DSP functions, which can be accessed using the menu button to cycle to the setting you want to adjust, and then use the volume up and down buttons to make changes. This mode is normal volume operation. The menu button is illuminated white to represent the higher of the two volume ranges. Volume down button for dim control. Volume up button for crossfeed. Unlit, no crossfeed. Red, minimum. Green, moderate. And blue, maximum. Bass, 20 Hz. Bass, 125 Hz. Treble, 3 kHz. Treble, 20 kHz. Lock mode. Press both volume up and down simultaneously to lock the buttons. To unlock the device, press again the menu button and then both volume buttons simultaneously. And now the new feature, USB-C charging mode. Green for on, red for off. Here's an example of adjusting one of those DSP functions. I am cycling to the green 3 kHz treble setting using the menu button and then adding 2 decibels to that frequency by clicking the volume up button twice. After 10 seconds, the Mojo 2 will save your DSP settings and return to the volume setting. Now let's take a look at how to erase those DSP settings. Note that only the activated ports will be erased, so make sure you've got the correct pair of headphones connected. Firstly, enter any of the DSP settings using the menu button. Here I'm cycling through the current settings and then pressing both volume up and down at the same time to erase all those settings back to neutral. You'll notice the volume buttons are no longer illuminated.